So in this tutorial we are going to learn how can we calculate the average of multiple inputs which is entered by user and using the class. So let's start the program, and first we have to define a class. So class average. After defining the class we have to define the a function. So let's write it average. We have taken the self parameter for which is used to indicate the object, and let's write the object here. Object 1 equals to average. So we created an instance object here, and then object 1 dot of average. This is calls the average of AVG function of average class. And after that, so if we print the self, then we can see the self is an object. Let me just call the function here, object 1. Let me run the program. So see here, it's an object. So self is an object. So we will discuss the self in other videos. Let's continue with the program. First we have to take how many numbers the user want to enter. So let's write here n equals to int, and taking the input, the message will be enter how many number you want to average of. Then so after defining the n, we have to get the values from the user. So how can we get the values from the user? We have to use the for loop. So for I in range, so the loop will be run until the n value satisfies. So if the n is, suppose the n is 2, so it will run till 2 times. So the the n values will be first of 0 and then will be 1, and the loop will be stopped. So then let's take the input from the user. So numbers will be equals to int, and taking the input, so enter the values, and now we have to we will need a temp variable or some kind of variable which will store the number value. So we have to add those two numbers. So how can we add those? We will need a variable for that. So I'm using a temp. So what you're gonna do is we are going to first we're going to specify the temp value is 0. So then temp plus numbers, and that will do is when first time the loop runs, the temp will be 0, plus the user, suppose the user entered 2, so 0 plus 2 will be 2, and when the loop run again the temp will be 2, so and this will be 2 plus, suppose the user entered again 4, so, and it will be 6. So the temp variable value sums all the numbers that user inputted. Now let's write a variable which will be used to calculate the average. So total avg equals to the temp is addition of all the numbers inputted by the user, and that will be divided by the number of user entered here, so that will be n, and this is the main value here. We got the average by printing it, just print it here. Going outside the loop, and let's print the value. And now let's run the program. And we will enter 2, the values will be 2 and 4. Yes, so the average is 3, and we got the correct answer. So let's sum it up all together. We have defined a class here which is average, and then defining a variable of defining a function of average, and taking the input how many numbers the user want to enter. So this is assigned to n, and we're taking the temp value to 0, so that we can add the numbers of the user entered here. Then we are running the value running the for loop till n times n is satisfied, and then this is input message, and this will add all the values entered by the user, and this is for total, to calculate the total average of the values, and this will be print the values here. And we have created an object of average here, and so here we are calling the avg function inside the average class, and that will print out our average of user inputted values. See you next time. Until then, bye bye.